Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by adding system-level support. Open Microsoft Store and install Heic image extensions now. This lets Windows decode Heic containers. Once done, install Heic video extensions if Windows asks for an additional decoder. Some devices require it. Make sure your Photos app is updated and Windows 10 has the latest updates because the preview plumbing depends on system codecs. After installing, restart Explorer or sign out and back in so the new codecs register with File Explorer and the Preview pane. Next, enable the Preview pane in File Explorer. Choose View, then Preview pane so you can see images without opening them. Select an Heic file and give Windows a few seconds to generate thumbnails and the preview. The newly installed Heic/Heic codecs handle the decode. If Explorer still shows a blank area, make sure thumbnail generation is enabled in folder options and not set to always show icons. Alternatively, use a lightweight third-party viewer like View with the Heic plugin for immediate viewing and batch conversion. Finally, convert or finalize your workflow. Open an Heic in Photos and use Export or Save as to create a JPG if you need broad compatibility. If previews still fail, clear the thumbnail cache, disk cleanup, and reinstall Heic image extensions. Also confirm Windows Update applied the codec patches. If files are on a network drive, copy one locally to test permissions and caching. One troubleshooting tip: reinstalling the Heic extension and restarting Explorer resolves most stubborn preview issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.